Timothy J. Kettle here, and it's the moment you've all been waiting for. It's time to announce the winners of the 2025 BesTeas Awards. Hundreds of you voted over the last week, and thousands of votes were cast. It's time for the results. And the winner for sweetest treat is carrot cake. And the winner for best energizing tea is Irish breakfast. And the winner for best seasonal tea is Winter Dream. And the best caffeine-free tea is Carrot Cake again. The winner for best new tea is Pistachio White Chocolate. The best iced tea is Goji Berry Blueberry Pomegranate. And the tea of the year is Snowflake! Join the Whistling Kettle's Black Friday sale through Cyber Monday for knockout deals, plus an extra bonus discount on this year's Best Tea winners.